If you find yourself locked out of your Discord account and cannot access your verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Discord login page. Go to the Discord login page on your web browser or open the Discord app. Click on the Forgot Your Password link to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Discord account. Make sure it is the correct email you used when creating your account, as this is where recovery instructions will be sent. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Discord containing a password reset link. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the link provided in the email to proceed. Step 4. Reset your password. Follow the instructions on the password reset page. Enter a new password that meets Discord security requirements. Make sure it is strong and unique to enhance your account security. Step 5. Log back into your account. Once your password has been reset, return to the Discord login page. Enter your email and the new password you just created. You should now have access to your account. If you continue to experience issues accessing your account, consider reaching out to Discord support for further assistance.